The windshield wiper fluid reservoir in a Tesla Model 3 is located in the frunk, which is the front trunk of the vehicle. Specifically, it is typically positioned on the left or passenger side when you are facing the front of the car. The reservoir is a plastic container with a black cap, clearly marked for washer fluid. It's easily accessible once the frunk is opened. First, park your Tesla Model 3 on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Next, open the frunk using either the touchscreen controls or your key fob. Now locate the windshield washer fluid reservoir inside the frunk. It's typically on the passenger side and labeled washer fluid. Remove the cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Slowly pour the windshield washer fluid into the reservoir. Use a funnel to prevent spills and make sure to pour steadily to avoid overflow. Fill the reservoir up to the recommended level markings on the side. Avoid overfilling to prevent leaks. Securely replace the cap by twisting it clockwise until it's tight. Then close the frunk. Finally, test the wiper system by activating the wipers using the control stalk on the steering wheel. Ensure the fluid sprays evenly across the windshield. The Tesla Model 3's windshield wiper fluid reservoir holds approximately 4.2 liters, which is about 1.1 gallons. Tesla recommends using their branded windshield washer fluid for optimal performance. Generic fluids that meet the SAE J1703 standard are also acceptable and provide the same protection. In colder climates, it's important to use windshield washer fluid that's rated for freezing temperatures. This prevents the fluid from freezing and causing damage to the wiper system. For a more sustainable choice, consider using eco-friendly and biodegradable windshield washer fluids. These options help reduce environmental impact while maintaining effective cleaning performance. Adequate windshield wiper fluid is crucial for maintaining visibility, especially during adverse weather conditions. The fluid cleanses the windshield, removing dirt, debris, and grime that can obstruct your view. Low fluid levels can lead to streaks and impaired visibility, posing a safety hazard. Clogged nozzles are a common problem with Tesla Model 3 windshield wiper systems, particularly in colder climates where improper fluid can freeze and block the spray. The main causes include mineral buildup from tap water in the fluid and freezing fluid in cold weather. Using improper washer fluid can lead to these blockages. To troubleshoot, first locate the nozzles under the hood near the windshield base. Check for visible obstructions. If clogged, use a pin or small needle to gently clear the nozzle opening. Be careful not to damage the nozzle. To prevent clogging, use distilled water mixed with washer fluid to avoid mineral buildup. In cold climates, choose Tesla-recommended winter-grade fluid that resists freezing. The Tesla Model 3 includes sensors that continuously monitor the windshield wiper fluid level. These sensors detect when the fluid drops too low and trigger a dashboard alert to prompt you to refill. When low fluid is detected, you'll see an alert on the dashboard screen reminding you to add more washer fluid. This helps prevent unexpected issues during driving. Additionally, Tesla's mobile app now sends notifications based on sensor data, alerting you to low fluid levels even when you're away from the vehicle. To stay prepared, regularly check your fluid levels either through the app or by inspecting the reservoir. This simple maintenance helps ensure clear visibility in all weather conditions. Looking ahead, Tesla's software updates will incorporate AI-driven monitoring of windshield wiper fluid levels and usage patterns through advanced sensors integrated into the vehicle. There's also a growing emphasis on eco-friendly, biodegradable windshield washer fluids that significantly reduce environmental impact compared to traditional methanol-based products. Future Tesla models may even feature self-cleaning nozzles that automatically maintain proper function, potentially eliminating the need for manual fluid refills and reducing maintenance requirements. When refilling the windshield wiper fluid reservoir, avoid overfilling to prevent leaks. Always fill only to the maximum line marked on the reservoir. Be cautious of spills in the frunk, as they can damage electronics. The frunk houses sensitive components, so pour carefully and clean up any accidental spills immediately. Always use the correct type of windshield wiper fluid for your climate. In cold regions, use winter-grade fluid to prevent freezing and ensure proper operation. Regularly check the wiper blades themselves, as worn blades can reduce the effectiveness of the wiper system, even with a full reservoir. Inspect for cracks or uneven wiping.